Hey friends, let's do an unboxing. This first box is from Craft Outlet, and they have some really cool picks, sprays, and just fun things for Halloween. So that's what this package is full of. I'm going to do several Halloween wreaths with these. Of course, you can tell I'm doing a hot pink and black skeleton wreath. Can't wait for that one. Got some pip berries with candy corn because I did order something special for that. Again, some more pinks. And I also ordered some pink, black, and white cookies from one of the wreath makers. So when I get to that unboxing, that'll be cool. And then, I've just got all these extra things that you're going to see come out soon. What do you think of those suckers, man? I thought they were really cool. All right, so look at this. I can't wait to use this lattice grid on in mask. And then I've got some fall. All right, this box is from TCT Crafts. I'm really excited. This is going to go with my Circus Freak Halloween, spooky Halloween circus wreath. I got some cotton candy and some popcorn. That one's going to be really exciting to do. And I also got some signs. These are from Glitter Shack. If you haven't bought from David, go check him out. All of the links will be in my description. And this is a local shop that I got these from. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to and unboxing.